I'm here with my patient who traveled from California, Northern California. He had a herniated disc at C5-6. It was a small disc bulge. He was told by the doctors in California that he should just live with the pain, give it time, and eventually he'll need a fusion. Is that right?
That is correct. I was told that within 5 years I would be needing surgery. So basically what they were saying, live with pain for 5 more years and then we'll do something about it. One of the things that I've seen a lot of the videos is testimonials, and I will always say, this doctor sounds too good to be true. And actually it is true. I appreciate you, doctor. I really think that is really nice procedure, and the staff here is really nice. They're always very friendly and kind to get you through the process, because when you get told so many times that that's your new life, it's kind of, you're always thinking, is really the way I want to live? If I'm going to live a lot of years, why wait with pain? You know, you need to do something different. And always, whenever you see videos, you're always a little sketchy and saying, maybe it's not true. Maybe this is not what it is really saying. But today, when I felt with no numbness and no pain on the neck and just going through the process, I really been blessed. I'll be flying to California today. I honestly can't say much, you know, it's a miracle. Whenever I heard the testimonials, they say you're a tool for God. It actually seems like that's the way it is. It's a miracle through you. God works through you, and it's awesome to feel better, you know?
I'm so happy for you and your lovely wife who's here with you. You can see you had a tiny little incision. You had the Deuk laser disc repair for your herniated disc. You can see we were in there with the laser, cleaning out that foramen on the right side where the nerve was being pinched. There were a lot of pieces of herniation in there. And the laser cleaned them all out, and your surgery went perfect, and here you are less than 24 hours later, feeling good, huh?
Well,
with a smile on your face. That's what I like to see.
You know, it's a smile of happiness. It's a smile of joy, you know, that it is doable. And I think no one should be able to be living with pain. I was so happy to see testimonials when they used to say, well, the one regret I have is not going in earlier and living 18, 20 years with pain. For me, it's been 3 years since July of 2020. It's been miserable because I've been with pain. And I've been told by doctors, let's just take time. I did all kinds of physical therapy, acupuncture, you name it, everything that's out there, and nothing seemed to help. And today, with 1 day of getting something really that's gonna be for life, it's amazing. It's a smile of joy, you know? If you are going through this trouble, don't hesitate on sending your MRI. When I did it, I sent my MRI for free review, and my answer was, yes, you are a candidate. Here I am today, flying back with literally no pain on my neck and no numbness on my hand, which I miss that. That's awesome.
It's wonderful. Now, what is your native tongue? What is your native language?
It's Spanish.
Are you from Mexico originally?
Guadalajara, Jalisco, Mexico.
Guadalajara.
Yes.
One of my favorite songs. Can you tell them in your native tongue how you feel?
Yeah. Quisiera decirles que si están teniendo problemas con una hernia en su cuerpo, manden su MRI, es gratis y les van a dar un resultado, una verificación si ustedes son candidatos. No vivan con dolor, porque el dolor les va a causar toda la vida, y los doctores allá afuera les dicen que no hay solución, pero las soluciones existen, simplemente las tienes que buscar y creer, tener fe que tú vas a estar mejor. Si Dios te mandó a este mundo es para que vivas bien, no para que vivas con dolor. Así que te recomiendo que por favor tomes esto en serio, hagas ese paso de mandar tu MRI gratis y habla ya sea con quien tengas que hablar para que ellos te empiecen a guiar y te digan qué es el siguiente paso que tienes que tomar. Así que una recomendación con Dr. Deuk. Muchas gracias.
Muchas gracias, amigo. And Feliz Navidad.
Feliz Navidad. Gracias.
Safe travels, my friend. Thank you so much for sharing.